Hey, Gingerbread and Jelly Bean. So I'm not slacking off from the vlogs. I just I'm trying to work on some stuff for the vlog actually, so it can be better because I'm not where I want to be. I think I'm supposed to be. I've been vlogging for a few months now. As you know already, you guys subscribe already, or if you're watching this right now. But I just want to change up a few stuff, like my intro and stuff like that. So I'm really working hard to try and change that, but it has been giving me some issue, giving me some problems and stuff. So the vlogs are still coming, look out for them, but I just want to put in some more work. I want to change some of the stuff that I do in the vlog itself. On the weekends I have this like one-on-one with you guys where it's informative or I give advice, or a question stuff, and I really like doing that. But I think I might add that into the vlog or find a way to add it into the vlog. I don't know how I'm going to do that, but I'll try that. I know you guys might be accustomed to seeing Vonnie in the vlog. She's still at school, but I haven't like seen her, and the time that we get, it's so short, So that's the reason why Vonnie is not really in the vlog, and her boyfriend don't really want her in the vlog. So, you know, if you're affected by not seeing Vonnie in the vlog, I am sorry, but I just have to make up for it. The vlog is just my journey. People come into your life for a season as well as for different reasons. So, I guess, that's just how it is, and you just have to continue to move on and, meet new people, and you guys will enjoy, me meeting new people, interacting with them, and just building a bond. So, for that part of it, I'll continue to meet new people. But the vlogs are coming, so look out for them. Remember, I post vlogs on Mondays and Thursdays and mini clips on the weekend. Also, feel free to share my vlogs. I know a few of you already share my vlogs, you share my content. I really appreciate that. Welcome to all of the new subscribers. Welcome, same to the old gingerbread and jelly beans. I really appreciate you guys. Thanks for viewing and us enjoying me, Mark. So, thanks again and see you guys soon. Look out for the vlogs.